highly respected in the industry and chairman of FICCI Food Processing Committee.
Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen of Amway. It indeed is my pleasure to be here with you at your Amway India Growth Meet, and I'm really happy as a representative of ITC to be speaking with you all. As you would have seen in the video, that ITC is a leading organization of India with a gross sales value of nearly 75,000 crores. We have a multitude of brands: Ashirwad, Sunfeast, Be Natural, Savlon. In fact, our brands are reaching almost 2 in 5 households of India, covering almost 140 million households. ITC, more important than this, has been actively contributing in nation building. Our ethos of Sab Saath Bade permeates across agriculture, manufacturing and services sector of the economy. What drives us is the powerful idea of triple bottom line, the unique spirit of synergizing business objectives with a larger sense of social and environmental purpose. Come, let us see how ITC has been transforming lives and landscapes over the decades. Our deep consumer understanding, combined with the spirit of innovation and the pursuit of excellence, has allowed us to constantly break barriers. The world is changing, and it is time for us to evolve to the next level.
The only constant in life is change, be it technology trends or tastes. With the growing aspirations of the Indian consumer, the demand for products that cater to his ever-evolving needs has grown as well. And finally, their expectations are about to be realized through a partnership that is a game changer for the Indian market. A partnership between nature and science. A partnership that addresses the need for evolution. An amalgamation of rich knowledge of consumer palates with best of nature, science and traditional wisdom of Ayurveda, powered by scientifically proven ingredients. A partnership between ITC and Amway. A partnership where ITC's inclusive philosophy finds synergy in Amway's vision of helping people live better, healthier lives. India's consumer needs have evolved. A demanding lifestyle means today's consumer demands their food to provide nutrition beyond the normal, without compromising on the taste. ITC specializes in delivering nutrition in a tasty format, powered by the science of Nutrilite and the best of traditional wisdom. Our partnership has led to the creation of food that fortifies your family from inside. ITC and Amway have jointly worked on understanding bioavailability of key micronutrients, which helps solve nutrition deficiency in India. ITC's Life Science and Technology Center helps create nutritional and natural products across high-impact product categories through 102 patents granted and its world-class team of 350 highly qualified scientists. ITC Life Sciences and Technology Center holds the prestigious second position for number of patents filed across India in the last 5 years. It's the first private organization to achieve this feat. With close to 2 years of co-creation, the hard work of ITC and Amway has given birth to one of its kind, never seen before categories. For the first time, you will experience tasty products developed based on Nutrilite philosophy of combining best of nature science and traditional wisdom with the power of scientifically proven ingredients. NutriBev, the perfect harmonization of nature, science and traditional wisdom, leveraging best of Nutrilite ingredients. NutriBev is a range of first-of-its-kind juices and milkshakes for the modern consumer who needs more than the ordinary. The best of both worlds, NutriBev is sourced from nature, curated by science. Evolution brings growth. Growth brings success. The stage is set.
I'm really excited to see the 2 years of hard work of the team from ITC and the team from Amway. The work that they have been doing is now coming to fruition. I must say, we are humbled to be welcomed to be part of this very successful and very proud Amway family. We can't wait for you to be part of this journey. So experience this one-of-a-kind product yourself. It's been developed with a lot of care, with a lot of love, and I think it will come together in enhancing this partnership of nature and science to enhance this partnership of ITC and Amway. And I'm very confident that these products will soar to new heights. It will build both our businesses, and it can only happen if all of us commit to the same. And I'm very confident that you, this proud team of Amway, will make this possible. Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure speaking with you.
Now about our next partner, Ayurveda